How can Excel number formats control thousands separators? Imagine trying to read a long list of large numbers without any spaces or commas to separate thousands. It can be confusing, right? That's where Excel's number formatting comes into play. It helps make big numbers easier to read without changing their actual value. Excel uses something called number formats to control how numbers look. One key feature is the thousands separator, which is usually a comma. When you see a number like 1,234, it can be written as 1,230 to make it clearer. By default, Excel follows your computer's regional settings. If your system uses a comma as the thousands separator, Excel will show numbers with commas. But you can change this if you want a different symbol, like a space or a period. To do this, you go into Excel Options, then Advanced, and uncheck the box that says Use System Separators. From there, you can set your own character for the thousands separator. Another way to control thousands separators is through custom number formats. You do this by right-clicking a cell, choosing Format Cells, and then selecting the custom category. Here, you can type in a format code. For example, if you want numbers to have commas every 3 digits, you write 0. This tells Excel to put a comma after every group of 3 digits, making large numbers easier to read. You can also use commas to scale numbers down for presentation. If you write 0 with a comma at the end, Excel will show the number divided by 1,000. So, if your cell has 117,943, it will display as 118. This is useful for financial reports where you want to show numbers in thousands or millions without changing the actual data. Adding multiple commas in the format code scales numbers even further. 2 commas will divide the number by 1 million, 3 commas by 1 billion, and so on. You can also add text within quotes to label the scaled numbers, like 0, thousands, which will show the number divided by 1,000 with the word thousands next to it. Using these formatting tricks makes data much easier to understand. Large numbers become clearer, and reports look more professional. Remember, these formats only change how numbers appear, not their real values. So, calculations stay accurate while your presentation improves. In summary, Excel controls thousands separators through custom format codes that include commas. These commas add visual separators and can also scale large numbers for easier reading. Adjusting these settings helps you present data cleanly and professionally without affecting the actual data stored in your worksheet.